Are you spending hours editing videos, writing scripts, or figuring out what to post next? In 2025, content creation doesn't have to be hard, thanks to AI. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 AI tools that creators around the world are using to save time, grow faster, and automate their content workflows. Whether you're a YouTuber, writer, editor, or solo entrepreneur, these tools can transform the way you work. Let's dive into the must-have AI tools every content creator should be using in 2025. First up is Opus Clip, a game-changer for repurposing long-form videos into viral short-form content. Most people use it to turn YouTube videos or podcasts into TikToks or Reels, but what makes it powerful is what's under the hood. It uses semantic analysis, emotion detection, and pacing recognition to find the most engaging moments in your video. Not just timestamps, but hooks, punchlines, and moments of emotional weight. When you upload a video, Opus Clip doesn't just trim it randomly. It actually scans for structure, keywords, facial expressions, and even audio cues to isolate viral moments. Then it formats your clips with captions, zooms, punch-ins, dynamic resizing, and even gives each one a viral score to help you pick what's worth sharing. But the real power comes in the workflows. Podcasters use it to turn 60-minute interviews into 10-plus clips. Educators turn webinars into a week of Instagram content. Some creators feed their coaching Zoom calls into Opus Clip, instantly turning behind-the-scenes content into public-facing reels. Add ChatGPT to write custom hooks or titles for each clip, and you've got a batch content system with zero manual editing. What most people miss is how creators are chaining it with scheduling tools. Some automate the flow from Opus Clip into Metricool or Buffer, uploading a batch of shorts every week without touching a timeline. With AI handling the clipping, formatting, and even subtitles, creators are scaling short form across 3 platforms with less than 30 minutes of input. If you're running a faceless YouTube channel or want to create high-quality narration without recording your own voice, 11 Labs is the go-to AI voice generator in 2025. But don't think of it as just text-to-speech. It's a voice studio in your browser. 11 Labs delivers incredibly realistic, human-sounding voiceovers that include inflection, pacing, and emotional variation. You can pick from dozens of preset voices or clone your own with just a few minutes of recorded audio. But what separates it from the rest is how detailed the control is. You can adjust how expressive a voice is, how fast or slow it talks, and how formal or casual it sounds. One of the most underrated features is multilingual dubbing. You can record your script once and auto-dub it into multiple languages, keeping the tone and cadence intact. It's perfect for creators who want to scale internationally. And you don't need separate voice actors for each market. Creators are building character libraries using cloned voices, narrators, hosts, and even fictional characters, all generated in 11 Labs. Combine it with a ChatGPT-written script, and you can create episodic content where every character has a unique voice, tone, and emotional range, with 0 human actors. There are faceless documentary channels running entire video series using nothing but 11 Labs for dialogue and narration. No mic, no retakes, and no studio. And for solo creators, that means you can produce long-form voiceover content in under 30 minutes. One advanced technique creators are using is something called emotional layering, generating 2 or 3 takes of the same narration at different energy levels and mixing them depending on what's being shown on screen. It's subtle, but it's what separates amateur AI narration from content that sounds like it came from a voice actor. Next is ChatGPT 4.0, the latest evolution of OpenAI's language model, and a powerhouse for content creators. It's not just about writing better. GPT 4.0 includes multimodal capabilities, meaning it can now read images, understand tone, and carry context across multiple messages with far more accuracy. Whether you're brainstorming video ideas, writing scripts, planning content calendars, or crafting YouTube descriptions, ChatGPT 4 can handle it all. And it learns your voice the more you use it. Feed it past scripts, and it starts mimicking your tone. Show it thumbnails, and it gives feedback. Ask it to write in the voice of a sarcastic host or a calm instructor, and it delivers. Pro creators use it to build full production pipelines. One prompt can give you a script, SEO title, 5 thumbnail text ideas, a short-form caption, and even 3 Instagram post drafts. You can also use it to summarize your published videos into email newsletters or LinkedIn posts. Some channels are even building GPT workflows where every script starts with a brand voice template. This means every new video stays on tone, stays on theme, and stays optimized, even if you're producing daily. GPT-4o is the brain behind the best faceless channels in the game right now. A lesser-known trick is using GPT-4o's vision feature to optimize thumbnails mid-design. You can screenshot your Canva layout, upload it, and say, "How can I make this get more clicks?" And it'll suggest changes like color contrast, emoji use, text repositioning, or removing clutter, all based on heat map and eye tracking research data. For visual creators, Runway ML is one of the most powerful AI video and image tools on the market in 2025. Most people know about the text-to-video feature, where you type a prompt like "a sunset over a futuristic city" and get a cinematic clip. But Runway goes far deeper than that. It allows you to generate B-roll, create visual effects, or even animate static images using AI. Their motion brush tool lets you add movement to still images, while inpainting allows you to erase and regenerate parts of a video seamlessly. The green screen removal feature doesn't require a physical green screen. It uses AI to isolate your subject in any setting. There are creators who use Runway to create entire intros or story segments for faceless channels, with no camera footage at all. You can describe a scene, have Runway generate it, then narrate over it with 11 Labs, and edit it into script, all without ever recording yourself or shooting video. Runway also integrates with major editing platforms like Premiere and Final Cut, which means you can use its generative features inside your existing workflow. You're not replacing your tools, you're upgrading them with AI. Some creators are combining Runway with 11 Labs and Opus Clip to build full videos where every asset, audio, video, voice, and structure, is AI generated. It's not just a time saver, it's a content multiplier. And with their recent motion control features, you can even direct where elements move inside the generated scenes, giving you director-level control from a single prompt. Last but not least is Notion AI, an underrated tool for content planning, scripting, and productivity. If the other tools are your editors and narrators, Notion is your operations team. It helps creators build structured content calendars, generate outlines, summarize research, and even brainstorm ideas, all in one workspace. It's ideal for creators juggling multiple platforms. You can organize your weekly video uploads, use templates for script development, track your production pipeline, and even link in performance metrics. It becomes a central hub that keeps everything aligned, and the AI assistant helps keep it optimized. Some creators use it to generate automatic next video ideas based on the performance of their last 10 uploads. Others use it for client work, drafting scripts, proposals, or video outlines in seconds. And if you're managing editors or VAs, you can drop SOPs, brand voice guidelines, and asset links directly into your shared workspace. It's also being used as a launchpad for content repurposing. Some creators have their YouTube scripts inside Notion, and after a video goes live, they click one button to generate a LinkedIn post, an Instagram caption, and an email, all using Notion AI's embedded prompt tools. One workspace, 3 platforms, no burnout. Those were the top 5 AI tools every content creator should be using in 2025. These tools aren't just hype, they're helping creators work smarter, grow faster, and stay consistent across platforms. Let me know in the comments which one you're most excited to try, or if you're already using one of these in your workflow. And if you want a follow-up video where I show how to connect all 5 into one full automation pipeline, drop a workflow in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more weekly videos on the best AI tools for creators and small businesses. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.